Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a viewer question from a young lady named Melissa. Melissa wrote in and she said essentially that her parents never wear their seatbelts when driving, and she's tried to talk to them about it. She's told them they have to do it because it's the law and they have to do it because it will keep them safe. But her father said that people die every year as a result of having a seatbelt on, and that he doesn't want to take the risk of driving with a seatbelt. First, he told her that he doesn't want to have the seatbelt on, and if he crashes and runs into a lake or a pond, and there are a lot of lakes and ponds, if the car were to be submerged underwater, he would not want to be trapped in it with a seatbelt on. The second thing he told Melissa is that if he has the seatbelt on and the car were to become in a collision and then catch on fire, he may not be able to escape from the vehicle and he may end up getting burned up. And so Melissa, you sent me an email and you asked me what I would say to respond to that, and my response to that is that I'm an attorney, and in my legal practice we handle wrongful death cases. We handle a lot of wrongful death cases every year, and most of them involve automobile collisions. I've never had, in almost 20 years of practicing law, I've never had a wrongful death case from an automobile collision where the seatbelt contributed to the death. In other words, I've never seen a case where a car went into a pond and the person was trapped in because they were wearing their seatbelt. I've never seen a case where a person got in a car accident, the car caught on fire, and they couldn't escape due to the seatbelt. Now, do those cases exist? Maybe, but I'm not seeing them. What I'm seeing is I'm seeing collisions where people are not wearing seatbelts, the car rolls over and they get ejected from the vehicle. I'm seeing cases where people get in collisions, they're not wearing seatbelts, and their body is basically free to be thrown around inside the vehicle, and when their head comes into contact with a hard surface inside the vehicle on an impact, they end up being killed. I'm seeing people who are killed in automobile collisions very regularly in my legal practice, and none of them, at least not yet, none of them have been cases where the seatbelt caused the person to die. I think that it's an urban myth, you know, this idea that you should not wear a seatbelt because it could entrap you. I think that's an urban myth. I don't know where that information came from, but I would say that if you want to make a smart decision, if you want to be responsible, if you want to be around to watch your kids grow up, put the seatbelt on and forget about what you may have heard, forget about the car catching on fire and you being entrapped in the car, or the car landing in the water and you being entrapped in the car. I think that not having the seatbelt on exposes you to a much, much, much higher risk of injury or death than putting a seatbelt on ever would. I've heard all kinds of excuses about why people don't wear their seatbelts. Take it from me, I see the aftermath of these automobile collisions, and I can tell you, you will almost 100% certainly fare better if you are in a collision if you have your seatbelt on. Thanks for watching, Melissa. I hope that answers your question. Hope that provides you with some information that you can take back to your parents and show them. And maybe this video, if you watch this video or you share it with friends or family, maybe this will help someone or save someone's life. Thanks for watching. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Melissa, thank you for the very insightful question. If you're watching this video and you have a question you would like me to answer, send me an email. My name is Ben Schwartz. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.